Hello, good morning students. How are you all? All are fine? Yes? Ready for our next class? Yes? So, let's revise the topic which we had done yesterday. Yesterday we had learnt about nouns and type of nouns, right? So, nouns. Name the three type of nouns. Yes? The three types of nouns are, which we had learnt are proper noun, common noun, and collective noun. Right? These are the three type of nouns which we have learned. Now let's revise the proper noun. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are special names given to the common noun. Right? What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are special names given to the common noun. For example, river. So, Ganga. Ganga is a special name. Ganga is a name of a river. And river is a common noun. There are many rivers in India and Ganga is one of them. Boys. There are many boys in the class and Ashok is a particular boy. So a special name given to the boys is called a proper noun. Boys is a common noun and special name Ashok is a proper noun. A proper noun always starts with a capital letter, right? So, a proper noun always starts with a capital letter and it is a special name. So, special name and it starts with a capital letter, right? Now, moving on to common noun. What is a common noun? Common nouns are the names of places, animals, person or thing. Anything it may be, right? Of the same kind. They must be of the same kind. Collective noun. Collective noun is a word that is given to a collection or a group, right? What is collective noun? Collective noun is a word given to a collection or a group, right? So, let's revise collective noun. Yesterday we did collective noun. Yes, so let's revise collective noun. What is a group of birds called? Group of birds. What is a group of birds called? Yes, we did it yesterday. A flock. What do we call it? A flock. A flock of birds. I saw a flock of birds in the sky. आसमान में मैंने चिड़ियों का झुंड देखा. अब ये जो झुंड वर्ड है इसको हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? फ्लॉक. I saw a flock of birds flying in the sky. Right. Next, let's take a group of flowers. What do we call a group of flowers? Yes. Now you remember who gave the bouquet of flowers? The old woman. Whom did she give it? She gave it to the young lord. So the bouquet of flowers means a group of flowers where she had beautiful flowers in the garden like lilies, roses, lilacs. She collected all the flowers together. She made a bouquet of flowers and she handed it over to the old woman. Right. So, a group of flowers is called a bouquet. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Bouquet. A bouquet of flowers. Right? The next is group of cattle. Now what do you mean by cattle? Milk giving animals are called cattle. cattle which we use them. For example, we use the cow, we use the buffalo for milk, we use the goat, right? So cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, they all belong to the group of cattle, right? So we call them cattle. So a group of cattle is called a herd of cattle. What do we call it? A herd of cattle. Have you seen lots of cows and buffaloes moving in group in the morning or in the evening when you go somewhere for traveling? Yes, right. So that is called a herd of cattle. Then a group of keys. Group of keys. दादी की कमर में, मम्मी की कमर में चाबी का गुच्छा देखा होगा, बहुत सारी चाबियां होती है, राइट? और दैट ग्रुप ऑफ कीज इन विच एक सिंगल छल्ले में बहुत सारी चाबियां लगी हुई है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ बंच ऑफ कीज. व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट? वी कॉल इट अ बंच of keys, right? We call it a bunch of keys. Now what about a group of fishes? Group of fishes. Yes, a group of fish. A school. Yes, you remember it very easily. A school. A school of fishes. This we had written yesterday, so no need to write down, we are just revising it, okay? Now, what is a group of ants called? A group of ants. Yes, colony. Colony of ants. See, they always move in a line like this, so we call it a colony of ants. Now a group of bees. A group of bees. Bees, madhumukhi, right? We call it a swarm. S-W-A-R-M, swarm. A group of ships. A group of ships. We call it a fleet. Where do you see a group of ships? Yes. कहाँ पर देखते हैं हम इसको? समुद्र में, right? We see it in the sea. So this is all about collective nouns, and today we are going to learn about nouns, that is number, that is chapter 4. Chapter 4, right? We are doing now the chapter 4, and I had given you this in homework. Did you all do this? Yes. What is the first picture? The first picture is the king. K-I-N-G, king. The second picture, what you can see on the second picture? Second picture is the railway station. R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, right? The third picture is a cake. Third picture is a cake. Fourth picture, what can you see in the fourth picture? He is a tailor. Tailor. You can see him stitching clothes. So the one who stitches clothes is a tailor. Next, you can see the dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Elephant. Correct. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Now, stadium. S-T-A-D-I-U-M. Stadium. And the last picture is the church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. Bell. In the school the bell rings. Yes, it is a bell. Then you can see the postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman. The bear. Bhalu the bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. And the cat. Now you have to sort these things into people, place, animal and thing. Right? So now we are going to, have you written it down? Check, I told you to do it yourself. Check your answers are correct. Hope all your answers are correct. Now we will bifurcate them. Okay? Now we are going to bifurcate them. People, place, animal, thing. Right? Now the first word is a bell. Bell, ghanti. Bell is a name of a thing. So we will write the bell over here. The second name is a bear. Bear is an animal and an animal will come over here. The third is a church. Church is a place. C-H-U-R-C-H. Place of worship. So where do the Christians go? The Christians go to the church to pray. And the Hindus go to the temple. So temple is also a place. Now moving on to a cap. Cap. Cap is a thing. So we write cap over here. Then dolphin. Dolphin is an animal. Dolphin. Dolphin is an animal. Next, elephant. Elephant is also an animal. Railway station. Railway station, you go there to catch your train. So, railway station. Railway station. Right? It is a place. Tailor. Tailor is a person who stitches clothes. So, tailor is a person who stitches clothes. Then, stadium. Stadium is a place. Stadium. We go there to watch the matches. Yes, in the stadium matches are played. Cricket match is played in the stadium. Football match is played in the stadium. Now a postman. Who is a postman? He is a person. So the postman will come in the person's column. Right? Then cake. Now cake. Cake is a eatable item. We write it in thing. And the last word is left is the king. And king is a person. Vyakti hai. So here. Hope all your answers are correct. If your answers are correct, clap for yourself. Clapping for all those who have written down the correct answers. And even if you have not written down a correct answer, if you have made a mistake, learn from your mistake, because we are always there to learn from mistakes. And those who learn from mistakes never forget their mistakes, right? So, here we come to an end of this topic and we are moving further with the next topic, that is number. Nouns, number. Now see, noun, number. What do you mean by number? Single person, many people, right? So this is ek, anek. This is number. Okay. Now, if I have a single pen, here is my pen. This is my single pen. And Okay, so it becomes pens. Now what happened? Actually, the letters, all the letters from A to Z, they have made friendship with, इन्होंने क्या किया, S के साथ फ्रेंडशिप कर ली है और S को बोला है कि आप आकर मेरे टीम में शामिल हो जाइए. ओके, सो दे हैव ऑल गॉन टू द टीम ऑफ लेटर्स एंड दिस इज हाउ फ्रॉम सिंगल दे हैव बिकम प्लूरल. सो सिंगल इज कॉल्ड एज सिंगुलर and single means one and plural means many, right? What do you mean by singular? Singular means one and plural means many, and this is how we bifurcate nouns into singular noun and plural noun. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Now let's see how they have formed teams and how they include new member in their family, in their team, and they become one. For example, let's see. Boy, he was alone. ये अकेला था, उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. उसने क्या किया, S के साथ दोस्ती कर ली और उसने S को अपने टीम में शामिल कर लिया और वो क्या बन गए, बॉयज. राइट. सो first rule is by adding S. Okay. Balloon. One single balloon. Now they made friendship with S. S के साथ दोस्ती कर ली, S को अपने टीम में शामिल कर लिया और क्या बन गए, balloons. कप. एक अकेला कप था, उसने अपनी टीम में S को शामिल कर लिया, कप्स बन गए, बहुत सारे हो गए. Pen, pens, pencil, pencils, right? Book, books. अब धीरे धीरे करके ये बहुत सारे होते गए, right? So from singular to plural, one rule is of adding S. पहला रूल है S ऐड करने का, right? Cake, cakes, right? Egg, eggs. Eraser, erasers, right? This is the first rule of adding S, right? Now we move on to second team. There is a second team also. In your class you are many friends, you all get together, सबके ग्रुप बन जाते हैं. In the same way ये लेटर्स ने भी अपने अपने ग्रुप बना लिए हैं और इन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि हम किस किस को अपने ग्रुप में शामिल करेंगे. फर्स्ट टीम वालों ने क्या किया, सिर्फ S को शामिल किया. तो सेकंड टीम वालों ने बोला कि नहीं नहीं, हम S को नहीं, हम ES को शामिल करेंगे. तो इन्होंने क्या किया, E लगा दिया और S लगा दिया. इन्होंने दो मेंबर्स को शामिल किया, टू लेटर्स को शामिल किया. अब ये कौन से लोग हैं जिन्होंने टू लेटर्स को शामिल किया? हु आर दे? दे आर S, डबल S, CH, SH, X और O. जो वर्ड्स इसमें एंड होते हैं उन्होंने उनमें क्या शामिल कर लिया, किसको शामिल कर लिया, ES को शामिल कर लिया. कैसे किया देखो. हम स्कूल कैसे आते हैं, बस से आते हैं. वी कम टू स्कूल बाय बस. बस ने क्या किया, ES को शामिल कर लिया, BUS बस, ES buses, right? Now double S, glass, GLA double S, glass, GLA double S, ES. इनने अपने ग्रुप में ES को शामिल कर लिया. CH, bench, you sit on the bench, यस, ये देखो एंडिंग एस डबल एस सी एच, बेंच बेंचेस, बेंचेस दोस्ती कर ली, अपने ग्रुप में शामिल कर लिया, एस एच। नाउ बुश, बी यू एस एच, बुश, बी यू एस एच ई एस, bushes. Now after sh, x, box, b o x, box will become b o x e s, right? After this o, m a n g o, now this will become m a n g o e s, mangoes. करेक्ट? अब मजा आया, जल्दी से समझ में आ गया क्या करना है हमको, हमने अपनी टीम में शामिल करना है। कौन से वर्ड्स हैं जो ES को शामिल करते हैं, जिनकी एंडिंग S, SS, CH, SH, X और O से होती है। इन लोगों ने क्या किया, ES को अपनी टीम में शामिल कर लिया। They got together with ES and they formed their plural, right? So hope this is very clear. The writing part we will do in our copies later on. First thing is we have to understand, right? So this is our second rule. What is our second rule? Second rule is to add ES. First rule was to add S. The second rule is to add ES. And now we move on to the third rule. What is the third rule telling us? अब क्या हुआ, ये जो Y है ना, Y बहुत शरारती था, बहुत मस्ती करता था। इसके टीम वालों ने सोचा ये Y के साथ तो हमारी जमती नहीं है, तो इन्होंने क्या किया, Y को हटा दिया अपने ग्रुप में से। They removed Y. Then what happened? They have to call in some new member. So what they did, they called for IES. Now IES, S इनके पास था, ES इनके पास था already. So what they did, they brought in IES. Now let's see with this how they formed their groups. A R M Y. What is this? Army, right? Y से झगड़ा हो गया, Y को ग्रुप में से निकाल दिया। नाउ ये Y को निकाल दिया ग्रुप में से। अब क्या होगा, IES को बुलाया, ARMIES, armies, right? The next BABY, baby। फिर वही Y से झगड़ा, Y को हटा दिया। अब क्या बन गया, किसको शामिल कर लिया, BABIES, babies। Pony, PONY, pony। The Y is removed. We removed the Y and we added PONIES, right? So this is how fairy, 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 remove the Y is removed, FARIES, fairies, right? So the third rule is to remove the Y and add IES, right? So here what they did, they added only S, then here S, double S, CH, SH, X and O. Ending they added ES and here they removed the Y. And number 4, now what they did is they are going to remove the F and add VES. F से भी झगड़ा हो गया, F को हटा देंगे और क्या लगाएंगे, VES. For example now, CALF, calf, Now what they did, they will remove the F. F के साथ हमारा क्या हो गया है, झगड़ा हो गया है, हम नाराज हो गए हैं F से. F हमारा कहना नहीं सुनता था, उसको हमने अपने ग्रुप में से निकाल दिया है. तो हमारे पास क्या आ गया, CALVES, calves, right? Now the next is half. HALF will become HALVES, halves. Thief, चोर, THIEF, thief, thief यानी चोर. यहाँ पे भी हमने F को हटा दिया. अब हम मिक्स करेंगे THIEVES, thieves, right? Leaf, 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 leaf का F हटा दिया. अब हमारे पास क्या बचा है, LEAVES, VES को हमने क्या कर लिया है, ऐड कर लिया है, right? So this is very easy for you. You don't have to learn it. You have to remember the rule. Rule number 1 is to add the S. Rule number 2 is to add ES when the word ends in S, double S, CH, SH, X and O. When the word is ending in these letters, we add ES. But later on, we had a fight with Y. We removed him from our group and we brought in IES. हमारी दोस्ती IES से हो गई. हमने Y को निकाल दिया हमारे ग्रुप में से. We removed him and we added IES. Then we added VES by removing the F. यहाँ पर हमने F को हटा दिया और हमने ऐड किया VES, right? So the 4 rules which we learned today, let's revise them once again, right? So what is the first rule? Rules. These are the rules. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3 and rule number 4, right? We have learned 4 rules today. What is the first rule? Add S, right? So by adding S like cup, cup will become cups. Girl will become girls. Book will become books, right? This is the first rule by adding S. What is the second rule? By adding ES. Now where do we add ES? When the word ends in S, SH, sorry, SS, CH, SH, X, O. When the words end in S, double S, CH, SH, X and O, we add ES, right? For example, bus, BUS, bus will become BUSES. GLASS, glass. Now let's take class. We'll remove the G. It will become class. You come to your class and there are many classes in the school, so it will become classes. ES. S will become asses, right? Bench, BENCH, benches, right? Bush, BUSH, bush will become bushes. So the second rule is, first we are going to make friendship with S, then we'll make friendship with ES, then comes our jhagda. We had a fight. and we removed the Y and the F. इनसे झगड़ा हो गया, इनको हमने हटा दिया. We removed them from a group and then we brought in, whom did we bring in? For Y we brought IES and for F we brought VES, right? So let's take city, C-I-T-Y, city, C-I-T-I-E-S. We have removed the Y, right? Pony, P-O-N-Y, pony, the Y I am removing, and P-O-N-I-E-S, ponies. Baby, B-A-B-Y, baby, I'll remove the Y, it will become B-A-B-I-E-S, babies, right? So I hope things are very clear to you. The rules are very clear, you don't have to think about it too much. The next is, we are going to remove the F. For example, C-A-L-F, calf, we'll remove the F. F से झगड़ा हो गया and we will add in C-A-L-V-E-S. H-A-L-F, half will become H-A-L-V-E-S. So, it is very easy to form plurals of the given words. But the only thing is that you have to remember the rules. How many rules have we learned today? Come on, let's revise. First rule, anybody can give me the first rule? Yes, quick. Think about the first rule. What is the first rule? We make friendship with S. Second rule is we make friendship with ES. Third rule is we remove the Y and add IES. And the fourth rule is we remove the F and add VES. Hope it is very clear, and tomorrow we are going to do this exercise in our grammar portion, right? So at home what you are going to do is, you'll pick up your pencil book. See, this is your pencil book and chapter number 4 is the noun number. You're going to pick it up and go through the rules. Here also the rules are given. You can practice this, and tomorrow when we'll start our next class, give me quickly all the answers. When we'll do the writing work, you'll enjoy your class, you'll enjoy making the plurals, right? So this is here for today, and we wind up our session with singular and plural, and you are going to read the chapters, learn the rules, revise it, and then attend my next class. Okay, then bye. Enjoy your festival.